a pineapple appeared, and I thought, why don't I try to paint it, even though I think that a pineapple is a pretty complex thing to try to render. Very excruciating details in there, and I thought, well, maybe with patience and dedication and focus and concentration, all that, I'll come up with some dazzling, beautiful pineapple representation, but that's not exactly what happened. Anyway, I tried it anyway, not a lot of confidence, but I just started with, the various tones that are found in there is like octagons and green, and then there's like a straw color and several tones in between. So I was just, patiently kind of covering inch by inch, and I was there's the shadow of the pineapple, or I happen to be in sunlight, so how about that? Anyway, so here I'm starting the leaves, and that kind of leaves when they're facing you, and that kind of arrangement those leaves have, that's a very tricky surface collection to paint, because there's perspective, and then there's also these rings, and here I was doing real-time painting. I somehow got a real-time 6-minute video there, but anyway, just cut a few snippets off that, and so here, yeah, it's looking a little like a pineapple, but certainly is not the tantalizing, engaging painting I had in mind. Anyway, just kept going on it, and was not really going too perfect, but I wanted to have something, a reasonable finished product after all that hard work. I guess it's like an hour-ish I spent on the thing. It sort of has some depth now, and not great, but it's a lot of fun, I just got to say. So trying to paint a pineapple from life, and failing miserably, but having a good time, art fun.